Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to keep your computer awake without touching your mouse. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Microsoft, click on the Create One option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you are working on a task that requires uninterrupted operation, such as, downloading large files, rendering videos, or running automated scripts, keeping your computer awake ensures that the process completes without interruptions. When remotely accessing your computer through applications like Remote Desktop or TeamViewer, you may need to keep it awake to maintain connectivity and control, especially if you're accessing it from a different location or time zone. Now, keeping your computer awake without touching your mouse is a straightforward and very easy thing to do, because all I have to do is go here at your computer. I need you to type in settings, and from here just go to the power and sleep option if you have it already. And from here, as you can see, these are the things that you want to do it. Now, the interface might be different if you're using a laptop, but I'm using my desktop already. So when plugged in, you can turn it off after few minutes. So it depends on you, right? Of course, you should always click on the never so that it's not gonna be closed, or it could keep your computer awake without touching your mouse or hovering your mouse. And in the same thing for the sleep, when plug-in PC goes to sleep after never, or especially check on the number of options that you can do. But of course, that's going to be never, all right? Thank you so much for watching. It's a very straight and easy forward thing to do. We will see you again in the next video.